Hi everyone, welcome back to Benidorm Sunshine Vlogs with Benidorm Grace and Marcus. So today I'm going to have a look at Pontiente's new hotel, Hotel Pontiente Porto h10 I believe it's called. So come and join me. Alright. So you can see the beach is emptying now. It's it's the JoJo Souvenir. I knew it isn't too late. But there's still people on the beach trying to catch that last bit of Benidorm sun. You can see some of the cafes and bars over the road, guys. Hopefully soon they'll be reopened. It will be so good to come down and have a drink in one of these bars when they reopen. I just coming off Pontiente Seafront and coming into Dove Park. I do believe it is called something completely different by the Spanish, but it's English now it is Dove Park. You can see Hotel h10 Porto Pontiente here. Looking at the balconies, it looks like if you're on the left hand side, you do get quite a bigger balcony, and I like the roofs of them because they're all done out like a sort of map of the world by the looks of it, which is pretty cool. Hopefully they'll be reopened soon. If I remember rightly, after they were built, they were only open for about a week or so. Then they were shut again. So pretty sad news. See that? Oh, you mean not the, yeah. That's a brightness thing. That's the same. So you can just sort of about see the map on the roofs of balconies. I really can't tell if it's picking it up or not, so let me know down below if it is, guys. I think Mike's going to try to take a picture of them for you. So I should imagine it's got a nice hotel, everyone. It is situated right in front of Dove Park and Pontiente Beach. So you can see Pontiente Beach down over everyone. Looking absolutely beautiful and peaceful. Haven't been on there for a while actually. Hopefully soon. Get sorted now. So just going to take a slow walk back up into town now because we're not really in much of a rush. You can see the outdoor trim here, all been taped off. I'm not entirely too sure why. I think it is because group activities aren't allowed, I believe. But not only is it the outdoor gyms that have been taken off, it's also kids' play areas. You've got the sunk lock here. Can't quite remember how to use them. Come on, you.
No,
Anyway, I've had that. Oh yeah, like the outdoor gyms, the kids' play areas have been all closed off as well. Which is quite sad because I imagine the kids are getting a bit fed up with this lockdown. But I'm not sure how it would work in a school actually. Would the kids' play area be shut off in a school?
I think the school's still open. I don't think they are, Marcus.
Oh.
When we went past there wasn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a lot of weird stuff sort of going on lately in Benidorm, such as bars and restaurants aren't allowed to open, but if you're in a hotel, you're allowed to buy alcohol from the bar in the hotel. So they're basically saying if you want a pint, like if you want to go to the bar, just book yourself in a hotel for a few nights. You can see the sort of work of art on the wall over the road, guys. Always said that looks pretty cool. Huh? Oh. Huh. So I do believe that is sort of meant to be like Benidorm. You've got the mountains, the houses and the palm trees, etc. And I mean, it does look pretty nice. And this is going to be where I finish the video for today, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.